Hey guys, so today I'll show you guys how to change navigation voice in Google Maps. So let's get started. First is open your app and then tap on your profile here at the top right corner here. Then select settings from the list of options and it will bring you to this page. Then here you will need to find the navigation settings. And so I will test the current navigation voice here.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
And then if you want to change it, just click the voice selection like here. Example, I will choose this one, English UK. Here I will test it.
Your destination will be on the right.
Just like that. And yes, that's basically how you change your navigation voice on Google Maps. So thanks for watching, and if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. And when you click one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.